There are a series of math problems in front of you. You'll have 2 minutes to complete as many as you can. You may begin.
More?
On the back, sir.
Oh, okay. Okay, I'm done.
But you can put your pencil down. Thank you. Okay, and so for the scoring, 85, 84, 87, 75, 47, 77, 79, 87, 53, 63. Okay, so after the student attempted the math problems, they got 15 right and 3 wrong out of 18 problems, and they had 32 correct digits. My printer is currently broken, so I got one of the math sheets just pre-made off the left hand and logic, 2-digit numbers, no regrouping for this activity. I can bring the paper in for you if you would like. All right.